Welcome to another brand new episode of Boat Watch here on the Manny Moto channel. Today we're heading down to the Boynton Beach Inlet. Stay tuned. Another morning of boat watching down at the Boynton Beach Inlet. Beautiful water, beautiful sky, beautiful weather. Can't ask for much more. We continue now on our boat watching expedition. It's the Boat Watch series here on the Manny Moto channel. But today I went a little fugazi with a little Starbucks. Yes, black, no sugar. Program note, ASMR boat videos come out on Fridays at 9 a.m. ASMR versions of the boat videos Fridays at 9 a.m. right here on this YouTube channel. Here we go. Whole boat right here. Doing it. Oh, there you go. 2.7K, 30 frames per second. This might be a Key West. Yep. Oh, nope. There it was. There we go. And we got a wave. I think we got a wave. Yeah. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, if you prefer ASMR versions of the boat videos, ASMR boat videos come out on Fridays at 9 a.m. Some people like the videos with the music, some like the videos without the music. I'm kind of stuck between the two. Coming to you from South Florida, this is the Manny Moto channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. This one is in the books.